Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you default boot device missing or boot failed on Lenovo Laptop. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your laptop has no external devices connected. That means unplug any USB drives, external hard disks, or other peripherals. Now press and hold the power button to completely shut down your laptop. Once it's off, press the power button again and quickly start pressing the F2 key repeatedly. This will open the BIOS setup menu on your Lenovo laptop. Inside the BIOS, check if your hard drive or SSD is being detected. You should see the model number of your storage drive listed. If it appears here, that means your hard drive is working fine and there's no hardware issue. Now, go to the Exit tab, select the option Load Optimal Default, and press Enter. When asked to confirm, choose Yes. Next, press the F10 key to save the changes. Press Enter to confirm. Your laptop will restart. Wait a few seconds, and you should see Windows starting normally. This means the boot error has been successfully fixed. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.